Halloween from YUSPENYE is a 2-pack with frame, Joker, a series of Halloween door and wall decorations for all your Halloween needs. To open, simply peel and cut away the airtight opening. As we pull out the contents, the instruction guide on how to set up. Your stickers, vinyl, self-adhesive, your ribbon string, and your design unfold. Measures 37.5 by 47.2 for windows and doors. We have metal rings. As we open up the two back to back, we're going to hang and show what it looks like. Grab a hook, peel, and stick. In our demonstrations, we stick one on, stretching the hook, and the opposite end. Release the hook, slide through, and peel fully off. As you stretch and level and hang. We have 4 hooks to place on, self-adhesive. Hanging is just simply taking the stickers to the eye hooks. You have your Joker on window display. Displayed on the door and window, inside and or outside. We have the display of the Halloween fixtures. If we are to remove, simply grab, lift, and pull off. It's non-replaceable. Place it on bricks, walls, garages, and more. Enjoy your Halloween decoration. Thank you for viewing.